Good afternoon once more in People's TV. I'm your professor of English. Don't worry about the other roles that I'm giving you, but you have everything here. I'm your professor of English. To start with, I'm different to other professors or other lecturers that you encounter in universities because let me just briefly explain to you how deep I've studied. I've done microbiology of linguistics at an advanced level at the university overseas, of course, and I've done anthropology of semantics in another university overseas at an advanced level, of course. Then neurology of spoken and written word. I won't even list the rest of my studies, but already you can see that you are not lost here. Having registered in our course for English or for language in general, because whether you do English or you do Spanish or you do Tonga or whatever language, we're teaching the basics here. Now today we'll be looking at English. We'll be looking at past tense. This is an advanced level of past tense. You know, for example, you have been taught from primary school to upper level and up until now that the past tense for the word take is took. In other words, take, you replace AK with double O. It's take, present tense, and the past tense is took. But advanced level of have. Obviously, when I ask you what is the past tense of have, you're going to tell me something that's outdated. The past tense for have is who've. Because look, here you remove A and the next letter. Now you remove A and the next letter, you replace with double O. So have is who've. Spade, spood. So you see, that's the advanced level of past tense. Now let us go. Yes, the last one that I wanted to, I'm going to give you a lot of words for now. Shave, shove. I shave my head, I shove my head. You see? Now, let's go to the next one. Make, you know that the ordinary past tense of the word make is made because you remove AK and you replace with AD. Now, at the advanced level, I told you that I've studied the language. Rake, you remove AK, you replace with AD. So, rake is raid. I used the rake to collect the cut grass. I used the raid to collect the cut grass. You see? That's very, very, very interesting. Once you speak these words, people will be amazed. Just, where have you studied? And they say, no, I'm registered with this institution. Steak, stayed. So for today, we're just going to look at this because I don't want to start with a lot of words. I want something that you will be able to bite and chew. But now as we go on, lesson after lesson, we'll add more words to develop your vocabulary. Thank you for attending. I'll be sending you your homework or your task online. But for now, thank you.